Hello friends, welcome to Geeky Rabbit. Welcome to our series on Java. So today we will be seeing that how to clone a GitHub Java project in Eclipse, and also on cloning the project we will see that how to run the project. So for doing this, first of all we will need to go to the GitHub site. So just launch in your Chrome browser and type in GitHub. Also, if you are having a GitHub account handy, that will be helpful if you want to clone some privately held project. And if the project is available in public domain, then there is no need of an account. So you can sign up for Git using this one, using this sign up button. So secondly, go to this and check for Frogger. So this is a project in the public domain, and just click on this Java, as we will be cloning a Java project in Eclipse. So once you click on it, just click on this first project. So you can take any project, but for now I'm going on with this. So just take this cloning URL and save it in a notepad file. So just keep it handy, you will be needing it. And now just minimize the browser. So to clone a project, open the Eclipse, which I think you will be having on your system. So just go with the default workspace and click on launch. So this will open up the Eclipse in your system. Now, once you have opened Eclipse, so you will be in the Java perspective by default. So this will be the default view. So to clone a Git repository, go in here, just click, you can go in this open perspective and click on Git and then click on open. Otherwise there is one shortcut which is mentioned in here. You can also click on this to go to the Git perspective. And now once you are in here, just click on this clone a Git repository. So once you click on this, so whatever the URL you are having, just put in it here. So as you will be seeing that it automatically came. So it came because I am having GitHub running in my Chrome browser, and that's why this URL was picked. So once you do this, just click on next. And here you need to select the branch. So ideally you should select the master, but as both of them are ticked, I will not change it and I will move forward. So now click on next, and now it will ask the directory for the Git. So specify the Git directory for Git to be cloned, and just click on finish. So wait for some time until the cloning is done. And once it is done, you will be seeing the clone repository in here. So as you can see now, the clone repository has been cloned. And if you will open it, you can see the different types. So one more way is that you can go to your path where you gave while cloning it, and now in that you will be seeing that it has been cloned. So now you can see this Git repository has been cloned in the place which you have mentioned in here. Okay, so once this is done, now go to the Java perspective and click on import projects. So just click on this project from Git. So there will be multiple options. So you have to go to Git, project from Git, click on next. So now as we have cloned a repository, just click on this existing local repository and click on next. So the cloned repository will appear in here. After that, just click on next and just select import using the new project wizard and click on finish. So now it will ask you which type of project you want to create. So just select Java project, which is highlighted in here. Click on next and now give the project a name. So I'm giving Frogger as the project name. And as we have cloned a repository, we'll not be using the default location. Just give in the location of the cloned repository. So whatever is the location, just go in here and just go in that path and just click on this folder and select it. And now just click on finish. So if you can see, the project has been imported, and now if you expand it, you will be seeing that the package would be there named as Frogger, and it will have multiple script. So now to run this, just click on Frogger, right click on Run As, and click on this Java application. So now it will need which is the main class file. So just select on main and click on OK. So as you can see, the Flogger application has begun, and now you can play the game with your keyboard. So with this, we come to an end of this video in the series, which was on importing Java projects in Eclipse. We hope that you have liked it. And also post any questions, queries, or any suggestion in the comment section regarding this video. And that's all. See you soon with more Java related content. Until then, have a great time. Thank you.